Hello. My topic today is how do I create a brand identity for my business? Please help to like, subscribe, and share. Creating a brand identity for your business is essential for establishing a strong and recognizable presence in your industry. A strong brand identity can help you attract and retain customers, stand out from your competitors, and build trust and credibility with your audience. Here are some steps you can take to create a brand identity for your business. 1. Define your brand values and mission. Before you can create a brand identity, you need to have a clear understanding of what your business stands for. Start by defining your brand values and mission statement. Your brand values should reflect what your business stands for and what you want to achieve. Your mission statement should be a clear and concise statement that explains your purpose and what you want to accomplish. 2. Understand your target audience. To create a brand identity that resonates with your audience, you need to understand who they are and what they want. Conduct market research to identify your target audience's needs and preferences, and use this information to inform your branding strategy. 3. Develop your brand personality. Your brand personality is the set of human characteristics that your brand is associated with. Think about the personality traits that you want your brand to embody, such as trustworthy, innovative, or friendly. Your brand personality should be consistent across all of your marketing materials and communications. 4. Design your visual identity. Your visual identity is the visual representation of your brand, including your logo, color scheme, typography, and imagery. Your visual identity should be consistent with your brand personality and values. Choose colors and fonts that reflect your brand's personality, and design a logo that is simple, memorable, and easy to recognize. 5. Create brand guidelines. Once you have developed your brand identity, create a set of brand guidelines that outline how your brand should be presented across all of your marketing materials and communications. Your brand guidelines should include information on your brand personality, visual identity, tone of voice, and messaging. 6. Implement your brand identity. Once you have developed your brand identity and brand guidelines, it's time to implement them across all of your marketing materials and communications. This includes your website, social media profiles, business cards, brochures, and any other materials that you use to promote your business. 7. Monitor and adjust. Your brand identity is not set in stone. As your business grows and evolves, you may need to make adjustments to your brand personality, visual identity, or messaging. Monitor your brand's performance and make changes as needed to ensure that your brand identity continues to resonate with your target audience. In conclusion, creating a brand identity for your business is essential for establishing a strong and recognizable presence in your industry. By defining your brand values and mission, understanding your target audience, developing your brand personality, designing your visual identity, creating brand guidelines, implementing your brand identity, and monitoring and adjusting as needed, you can create a brand identity that resonates with your audience and helps you achieve your business goals. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.